Today I have the pleasure of doing a set on Caitlin, and we're going to be doing a long length, low density lash set. The reason why is because she's actually the perfect candidate for this look. Let's start off with her brow spacing. So you can see from her lash line to her eyebrows, she has a crazy amount of space. So in order to fill that in, we're gonna work with longer lengths. So my plan here is to work with 10 millimeters on the inner corner and quickly bump up my lengths to 18 millimeters. Now, I don't often reach for this length, but it is great to have in stock for clients like Caitlin who do have a lot of brow spacing. And we are going to be working with a doll eye map, so I'm going to bump my lengths back down to 10 millimeters on the outer corners. So just to show you how impactful different lengths can look on each client, I decided to pull up a photo of a client with minimal brow spacing, and we used 13 millimeters on her, and you can see that they actually look really long. So this is a great example as to why it's important to assess your client's brow spacing so you can choose the right lengths to suit them. Another reason why we chose to go for long length, low density on Caitlin is because she does have weaker natural lashes. So I'm gonna be working with low dimensions and low diameters, and this will help give us that sparse effect that we're going for while also maintaining the health of her natural lashes. With that being said, the dimensions I'll be using today are 5 to 9D, and if you were to use these dimensions in 0.07 or 0.05, it might look pretty dramatic depending on who you use it on, but since we're going to be working with 0.03 today, it's actually going to create a very soft and light effect. Again, perfect for the set that we're going for today. For my glue choice, I'm working with our Sino-free adhesive. The reason I chose this one for Caitlin today is because she is a little bit of a sensitive bean, so I do like to work with a glue that either has no cyanoacrylate in it or little cyanoacrylates. And I just personally love working with our Sino-free. For my pickup tweezers today, I'm working with our Slim Boot and Curved Isolation Ultra. And for isolation, I'm working with our Precision Grippo tweezer. Caitlin already went ahead and cleaned her lashes before the service, so she's ready to go, and now we're just gonna jump into application. I'm first starting off with the top layer to build the shape, and then we're gonna go ahead and fill in the rest. Okay, now that we're all done the set, it's time to Super Bond and Nano Mist. I've applied Super Bonder onto 2 micro swabs and I'm focusing it directly on the base where the extensions were applied, and that's gonna lock in all of those glue fumes and create a long-lasting hold so we can achieve bomb retention. Now we're gonna wait 2 minutes for the Super Bonder to work its magic. Then we're gonna go in with our Nano Mister, which provides a soothing, cooling mist to help relax the eyes. And here is the final result. Who knew that this set could look so dramatic yet so natural at the same time? I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.